Hello everyone, my name is Tara Tarabi, and this is my workbook for PC Market. The purpose of this worksheet was to display product information for PC Market modems. I created this case problem by first creating a lookup function to display the product type in cell C7. And as you can see here, my function, I typed in VLOOKUP, B5, product price, column 2, and if false, so that it will locate the type in column 2. I then made cell B5 absolute so I can fill the rest of the cells for model and price with the same function, but just change the row number. As you can see, row 3 and row 4. To modify the formula so that the product ID not found would be displayed, I went to my formula bar and I added if error and added product ID not found, so that if you were to enter and product ID not found, it would state product ID not found. I then entered labels for shipping in cells D40 to E42 here, standard, express, and overnight. To display the shipping cost, I used the nested if function. As you can see here, if we were to click standard, it would be $9.50. If overnight, $18.50, and express, $14.50. To enter a formula to display the total cost of the product, I went to cell 19 and entered C9 times B12 plus C17. To nest the total cost formula for an error product ID, I changed the formula by adding if error, and then I added C9 times B12 plus C17, then check product ID quantity or shipping option. So for example, if there was no shipping, it would say check product ID, quantity, or shipping option, and the shipping cost would be blank. To conditionally format all duplicate values in the ID column, I selected the ID column in the product list sheet. I went to conditionally format, highlight cell rules, duplicate values. To determine the average prices for each modem, I used the function bar, average if, and for count, I used the count if. The point of logical function is to help determine if a condition is true or false. This helps in the workplace because it tells you whether a statement is true or false depending on the data you're working with. For example, in tutorial A1, we used the if function for employees who said yes or no to life insurance premiums. With the use of logical functions, it will determine if the employees who said yes will calculate the salary with the rate for the true statement. For those who said no, the data will not change. I would use logical functions in my everyday work life because it is helpful working with data.